Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. I'm currently filming this while I'm waiting for Christmas lunch, so I'll probably do this video in two parts because Christmas lunch will probably be soon and then I'll probably have to run. So if I come back looking a little bit different, that's why. But anyway, I'm just going to get into it. So the first thing that I got was these Christmas pajamas for my mum. These are from Peter Alexander and they're SpongeBob ones. I love SpongeBob. Okay, how do I open this? Yeah, I love SpongeBob. I am obsessed. So I feel like a majority of this stuff I picked out, but I completely forgot about it until we opened it this morning. So, but anyway, they're so cute. So it has, whoopsies, has Patrick on the front, and then we have the little shorts, and they've got Patrick and SpongeBob and Gary on them, which is so cute. So yeah, that was the first thing I got from my mom. And then I got this super cute little advent calendar also from my mum. I picked this one out as well. So yeah, it comes with, it's like a 12-day advent calendar. It comes with a bracelet and little charms, and they're little Christmas charms. That's what it looks like on the back. It is super, super cute. And I'm super excited for that because the charms are so sweet. So, my sister got me some mugs, which I absolutely love. I love stuff like this because I display them in my studio. So the first one she got me is a Powerpuff Girls mug. Then she got me a Friends mug. And a SpongeBob mug. I love all of them. Aren't they all so cute? I'm so excited to set them up in the studio and display them. The studio is in shambles right now. I cannot wait to clean it tonight. Yeah, so majority of this stuff I did pick out with my mother. But she got me this candle. This is the candle from Dusk. This is the Sweet Stocking Surprises. Salted caramel and pecan toffee. And oh my god, their Christmas range smells so good this year. Oh, I can't even explain it. It smells absolutely incredible. And she got me some more, but we'll get to them later in the video. She also got me some undies from Peter Alexander. They are so cute. I'm pretty sure I picked these out with her again. So they look like this. Aren't they just so cute? These ones have little gingerbread men on them. And then the other one is the classic ugly Christmas sweater pattern. But they are so cute. It's got little snowmen on them. It says Peter Alexander. So I love those. I think they're so, so cute. Peter Alexander do the cutest Christmas stuff every year. So I got this phone case from Casetify. I picked this one out because I'm obsessed with Toy Story. And that's how it looks there. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. I don't even want to put it on my phone yet because I'm I just love it. It's so sweet. She got me some more undies. These ones from Kmart, I'm pretty sure, and they're just 101 Dalmatians ones. I think they're so sweet. So yeah, came with 3 pairs of those. I just thought they were very cute. She got me some Christmas stockings. So she got me a Trolley Lolly one, which I'm obsessed with, and she also got me a Whiz Fizz one, which I'm also obsessed with. I'm much more of a lolly girl rather than a chocolate girl. I much prefer lollies and stuff like that, so that's why she got me those ones. She knows me very well. My mum always makes the most beautiful cards every year. I just want to show them. She hand makes them. She's really into scrapbooking, and this is the one she made me this year. I just think it's so beautiful. Oh yeah, and she got me a typo gift voucher. So yeah, it looks like that, and it's so pretty. She got me some socks. She got me some South Park socks, which is so cute. Got all the boys on them. And then she also got me some Rugrats socks, which I am once again obsessed with Rugrats, which I'm sure you guys know that by now. So the first one we have Tommy and Chucky on them, and then the back one we have Angelina. It's not Angelica's doll, sorry. I can't remember what she called her doll, but you know the one where it gets all that really bad stuff happens to her. I can't remember what her doll's name is, but yeah, that's Angelica's doll. She got me some razors because I just needed some new ones. Because some of this stuff she got us a stocking each and just filled it up with little bits and bobs, so they came in my stocking. And she got me some Mentos. And she got me a book. I'm obsessed with Diary of the Wimpy Kid. I have all of them. I'm pretty sure I should have all of them. Yep. And then so she got me the latest one of that. I feel like every year I get a Diary of the Wimpy Kid book, which makes me so happy because they're honestly so funny and so good to read. I actually love them so much. Okay, what else do we have? My sister got me this diary, which is so cute. It's from Lorna Jane, I think. Possibly. Is it from Lorna Jane? Yeah, it is. And it's so cool. Like, it's actually got heaps of cool stuff in here, and I'm so excited. I've always wanted to be a diary girl, but I can never stick to it, so I'm hoping this year I can. And then to go with my diary, she also got me a little Squidward pen, which I just think is the cutest thing in the world. Mum got me a few claw clips because I've been asking for them. So the first one she got me is this one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's black. And then she also got me these ones as well, which is super exciting. I'm never going to run out now. She got me the Sunday whip soap. This is the Juicy Pear one, and it smells so incredible. Oh, it's so fresh smelling. Oh, I'm actually obsessed. It's so fresh and just so, like, it smells so good. And then she got me a body mist from Hideaway. This is in the scent Paradiso. Am I saying that right? I think I'm saying that wrong. But anyway, it smells really good. She got me these cute little lip butters from House of Treats. So we have one in the scent Choc Fudge and the other one in a cupcake, which is super cute. Then she got me a little Christmas stocking because I really love the little popping candy elves. So she filled this with all the little popping candy elves for me. She's so sweet. I love her. She got me a little like air freshener for my car. She got me a brain liquor because I love those. And she also got me some rock candy, which I love this stuff so much. But yeah, I'm gonna go have Christmas lunch now, and then I'm gonna come back and show you everything else that I got. Okay, so I ended up having a nap, and I napped in my makeup, which is why my makeup looks like this. But anyway, I'm going to show you the rest of the gifts that I got today. So the next thing I have here is another candle from Dusk. This is a Christmas Day Delight, and it's apple crumble and cinnamon. It smells incredible. Oh, yum. I don't know what they put in these candles, but they smell so good. Then we have the... this one is the Night Before Christmas, and it's vanilla cookies and sprinkles. Oh, they all smell so good. So good. Then my mum got me this little like squishy teddy. He is so cute. It's a little snowman, and he's holding his little present, which I just think is the sweetest thing ever. And then my mum made me this really sweet photo frame. It's got photos of me and my family in it, which I just think is like one of the sweetest things ever. I love gifts like this. They're so personal and so sweet, and yeah, I just love it. I think that's really, really sweet. Then I got another one of the Sunday whipped shower foams. This is the gingerbread one, the one they bought out for Christmas. It smells so good. My sister bought me this top, which looks like this. It's a little Central Perk crop top from Friends, which is just the cutest. My sister bought me one of the sweetest things that I've ever seen in the whole world. It's from Pandora, and it's a little bubble tea charm, and I just cannot get over how cute that is. Like, don't tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever seen. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's so sweet. And then I got, I don't know, like, so there's these comics on Facebook. They're called Strange Planet. It's by Nathan W. Pyle, and like I absolutely love them. And Mum got me a whole book of like the little comics, which I just think is the sweetest thing ever. Absolutely love these on Facebook. So if you know what they are, comment down below, because I don't know anyone else who knows what they are, but I'm obsessed. My nephew picked this out for me. It's a little cupcake, and it smells like vanilla. I love my plush toys. They know me so well. It smells incredible. My mum got me some of these cookies. I was telling her the other day how I absolutely love these. And every time that you see these, there's always like sewing stuff in them, and there's never cookies. So I wanted some cookies, and now I have some. And then like the last thing that I got, my mum got me a scrapbook, which I'm really excited about because I really want to do a bit of scrapbooking and put my special like PR notes and stuff, like notes that like Brandon and stuff sent me. I really want to put them in like a scrapbook. So but yeah, that was pretty much like everything I got. I got a few other things like I got car seat covers. They're inside, and then mum got like my car detailed, and then my friends got me a few gifts and stuff, and I got a bit of money and just stuff like that. But yeah, it was such a good Christmas. I've had such an amazing day, and I am so grateful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a great Christmas, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!